Today I'm going to talk about and demonstrate the easiest way to wash your vehicle without having to take out the buckets and the hose and spend a few hours on the driveway. This simple process only takes some detail spray and a few microfiber towels. The products I'm going to be using come from a site called Adams Polishes. However, you can use any car-related site that you view meets your preferences. In this case, I'm going to be using the detail spray, which basically I'm going to spray a little bit on the microfiber towel and then proceed to spray some on the vehicle. Now this is good because it's able to clean the surface and also applies a quick shine at the same time. Now I have two different towels here. This towel is going to be a little bit more abrasive, and I'm going to use that on the lower parts of the vehicle where more rocks and dirt collect. And then these towels I'm going to use on the top of the vehicle and on the windows, as those collect less dirt but still need to be wiped down so they can look shiny and look clean. When cleaning the vehicle, all you're going to want to do is spray a little bit on the surface that you're going to be cleaning. In this case, for this area, two sprays is just enough. And then I've already sprayed a little bit on the towel, and then begin wiping normally as if you were using a damp washcloth when you were cleaning your car with normal water and soap. And you want to do the same thing. You just want to go in even motions and sticking to up and down motions as well, so you limit the risk of scratching the vehicle as well. It's important to remember when working around vehicles that have exterior badges that display the model number or the make of the vehicle, you want to be careful with the towel, that you do not just rub straight over it, as one of the threads could get caught and could actually pull off the emblem, as most emblems are just attached with a little bit of adhesive on the back, right on the paint. So you definitely want to be careful when using these towels that have these threads that are very susceptible to the corners of these emblems. So as you can see, this car was not extraordinarily dirty. However, it did have a lot of dust and pollen on it from just sitting in the garage. So this waterless wash method was actually very, very easy, and it was very, very convenient, as I didn't have to move the car out of the garage, and I was able to just spray it on directly to the vehicle and onto my towel and begin to clean it.